See, now it's moving freely.
Okay.
That's good.
And we don't have to worry about where the gap falls through because it's gonna move anyway.
You just the gap has to be the opposite that we did.
Okay, so it is.
So there's no air going in straight. There's nowhere. There's no oil or air.
Yeah.
It's gonna go somewhere. So that's why you gap it like 90 degrees apart.
Okay.
Because if you put the gap together, there's air or oil is gonna squirt right out. So that's why you kind of like.
So I stand corrected. So it has to be opposite of each other. 180 degrees.
Or 90 degrees or what? Yeah.
Okay. Or 180 or 90.
Has a tiny dot here. I don't know if you guys can see, but I gotta move it.
See.
This one here.
There's that dimple in there.
So that one goes.
Okay, so Luke prefers this older style. Oh, this is the older style, or like the normal style.
old school, Anna.
Yeah, he says that he prefers this over the
fixed one. Like you cannot adjust anything.
Right. Yeah, because we have this other style where it's fixed. Something snaps.
Easy.
Okay.
Easy does it. Now we can put the rest. Now I'm trying to rotate this a little bit. I can rotate it a little bit. Okay. So those things will go. But you know what? You can try it. No, because you remember that's how you got the pictures. Yeah, the pictures is
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Flip
moving.
it. Yeah.
Yes.
Papa, look.
Baliktad.
So this one like this. Good. Which you're talking about this one?
Yeah.
That's
Papa, look.
no, that's it.
Look.
That's BO2. We got it. BO2.
Oh, okay.
We got it.
So it is. Okay. Good,
But
good.
you don't see the top. The top one is 3 then, because that's the
Oh,
BO2.
because it's all.
Yeah, there's two
dirty.
number. Yeah, there's 2 number. We got it.
Okay. Good.
That's good enough. Put it here. That's good enough. Sugar flush.
Wow, that went in a lot quicker.
Connecting road cap at soon. I mean next we're gonna flip it. Piston are in and the marking are pointing toward the flywheel. I mean no, to the timing chain. And now we're gonna put the road bolt cap and move on. Walk it to me. It's getting heavier a little bit.
Yeah.
That piston a little bit slowly toward me. Go, push it. There we go.
Can't wake up a little, please.
That's good. This one too. Hold on. Go, push it. No, that one, the third one. That's it. Little more. Okay, that's good enough. Now I can put the cap on those two and turn it again. So I'm gonna work here. I don't know if you guys can see. I can move it a little bit back there. It's fine, I guess. I want to take you guys along, but it's fine, I guess. Now this goes here, and the number, there's like 1, 2 in here. See, the number 2 goes here. It can only go one way because there's a pin in here, but now we can put the, oh, you know what, you have to put the bearing. I almost forgot to put the bearing. They all have oil groove. Okay, so let's put this back a little bit. And that's enough. Now I'm gonna put a tiny bit of lube on each bolt, tiny bit, not too crazy, right there. Because I try to go on the manual. They don't mention anything about that, so let's just that one is hard, but I'll come back with that later on. So let's just put a tiny bit of oil on everything, because on the main cap we need oil. So I bet you We need oil a little bit on those two. But I couldn't find it on that manual on the service, so put a tiny bit. Better than nothing. Now we gotta torque the road cap here, road cap bolt, 22 foot-pound all around, and we go from there. Let's just... Well, got a little souvenir here. It's bleeding. So, guys, I cut my hands on this sharp head here. Yep. Story of my life. Now I gotta get the band-aid first.
Is your camera in a safe area?
Yeah, it's fine now. It's gonna take a little while. We're gonna do it one by one.
Okay.
It's 22. Alright, so now 60 and 90.
Okay. So the first one is done. Now we're gonna go on the second torque.
Yeah. And 90. So now we go 60 first. Spins freely, guys. Very easy. Smoothly, freely. Alright, that's good. Okay. You don't need to go crazy. Perfect. New head gasket? No. This is an MLS, but now the debate is should you put copper spray or not? That's a good debate. But let's just double check.
I returned it
How
anyway.
you return it anyway?
Yeah.
I'm not even sure how this works. Oh, chain is here. It's gotta be this way. completely different. So here you go guys, maybe it's dirty, but now we got the oil pump in. This is the tensioner part of the timing thing, but we are at the stopping point because you know why? We don't have the head gasket. They send us a wrong head gasket right here, so we're gonna overnight it with AutoZone. So we gotta put the head and build the whole timing thing from the top, so we can put the chain, the tensioner, all the new O-rings. We do have a brand new of this, the timing chair cover. That's a brand new one right here. So we wait tomorrow again, a good progress, but that's a good part 1, and then I'll see you guys on the part 2.